Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to turn off automatic screen brightness on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go into Settings. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Next is Display and Text Size. Scroll down to the bottom. And down here is a setting at the bottom like this. It's called Automatic Brightness. If we want to turn it off, we click off. And after that, we turn it off. Now our automatic brightness is turned off on our iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any other iPhone. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel, put a like. Thank you very much for watching, who watched this video to the end. See you later. Goodbye, everyone.